तो जीडीपी और एम्प्लॉयमेंट को कंपेयर किया कि कैसे जीडीपी बड़ा गिरा, बड़ा गिरा, बड़ा बड़ा गिरा, फ्लक्चुएटिंग रहा, बट एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट स्टैग्नेशन, कभी भी 2% को ज्यादा क्रॉस करा नहीं, एक दो बार करा, बट मोस्टली 2% से भी नीचे रहा हमारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट. Let us now study the changes in employment pattern of the people in various sectors and their status over the last 30 years. So, ये the comparison between GDP and employment. That this concept will help you in understanding jobless growth. अब उसके आगे. Changing structure of employment. Changing structure. Transition from the primary to the secondary to the tertiary sector. Changing structure of employment. We know India as an agrarian nation. A major section of our population lives in rural areas and is dependent on agriculture as their main livelihood. The developmental strategies in many countries, including India, have always aimed at reducing the proportion of people depending on agriculture. Transition from the primary to secondary and tertiary sector indicates development of the nation as a whole. क्योंकि सेकेंडरी के लिए फैक्ट्रीज चाहिए, इंडस्ट्रीज चाहिए, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तभी होगी तो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, और टर्शरी सेक्टर के लिए तो आपका लिटरेसी लेवल, स्किल लेवल हाई होना चाहिए, तभी आपको जॉब्स मिलेंगी. तो ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम प्राइमरी टू सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी इंडिकेट्स डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन. तो उसी पे ही फोकस रहा. Let us now understand the effect of different sections of workforce due to growth pattern of employment and GDP. 72, 73, 99, 2000, 11, 12. 11, 12 वाले latest data. Primary sector 74.3%, अब only 48.9. अभी भी majority वहीं पे है, but still drastically reduce हुआ है. Dependency on the primary sector. Secondary भी बड़ा है, tertiary भी बड़ा है. Okay. In 72-73, 74.3% of the workforce was engaged in the primary sector, which declined to 48.9% in 11-12. It shows substantial shift from farm work to non-farm work. Secondary and service sectors are showing promising future for the Indian workforce as the shares of these sectors have increased from 10.9% to 24.3%. And from 14.8 to 26.8. तो क्या था ये? Changing structure of employment, transition from primary to secondary and tertiary sector, dependency on the primary sector reduced.